Are you struggling to showcase your photography skills online? A photography portfolio site can take your personal brand to another level. Let's explore the key steps to build a stunning photography website. To build a website with minimal effort, we will be using Dorik. Dorik allows you to build a website instantly with AI. To get started, follow these steps. Sign up or log into Dorik. Write a detailed prompt, hit generate. After writing your prompt, and watch as Dorik AI builds your site in minutes. If you want to tweak your design, you can use AI Quick Style, which contains professional AI suggestions to change the look of your website in a few clicks, like the font or typography or the color of your site. If you don't like what you see, you can always regenerate the entire design by changing your prompt. To do that, simply click on this button here, add a different prompt, and hit generate. If you ever want to go back to your previous AI-generated design, you can click on AI version history to find your previous designs. You can also do a lot with Dorik AI, like generate catchy titles with precision prompts so your visitors get your message. There are so many things you can do with Dorik's generative AI, like improving your text, rephrasing, shortening, simplifying, fix spelling and grammar, and more. If you prefer templates the old school way, Dorik has your back on this too. A template is a pre-designed layout that you can customize. To get started, follow these steps. Sign up or log into Dorik, click on Sites, then go to the CMS tab. Click Create New CMS Site. Search for photography in the template library. Preview and choose the template that suits your needs. Hit Create CMS Site and wait for it to be ready for customization. Now, using Dorik's drag and drop editor, you can customize everything easily. I recommend taking 5 minutes to explore the builder basics. It'll save you time later. Next up, upload your best photos. When it comes to your photography portfolio, less is more. Showcasing only your best photos creates a stronger impact. This helps potential clients grasp your style instantly. It's about quality over quantity. Every image should count. The photos you choose are your most valuable assets. Let's dive into how to curate, organize, and optimize your photos for maximum impact. Showcasing your best work. In the world of online portfolios, quality beats quantity every time. Highlight recent work that reflects your current style and skills. And be sure to include photos that align with the types of clients you want to attract. Optimizing images for web display. Dorik can already optimize the images that you upload in your website to increase loading speed, so you don't have to rely on third parties to shrink your image size. Now let's add those images to your Dorik website. Click on the image element, upload your photos, and adjust size and alignment as needed. Don't forget to add alt text for SEO and accessibility. If you're creating a gallery, use the gallery settings to adjust the layout and number of columns. Adding essential content and pages. Beyond the images, key content such as your story, services, and contact information is essential for turning visitors into clients. Your About Me page is your chance to connect personally with visitors. Make navigation user-friendly. A user-friendly navigation system is essential for a smooth browsing experience. Create a clean, easy-to-read menu that highlights your key sections: portfolio, services, contact information, and consider using a sticky header for constant access to navigation. Adding functional elements. Lastly, consider adding functional elements like appointment booking systems or even an online store to your site. These features make your website more interactive and useful for clients. Now that you've built your stunning photography website, all that's left is to publish and promote it to the world. With a polished portfolio, intuitive design, and optimized content, you'll be ready to impress clients and grow your photography business.